Today, we often hear that we should be saying affirmations daily, but what are the benefits of saying them? In this video, we look at 5 reasons you should be saying affirmations. Number 1, makes you happier. If you think about how you feel when you imagine yourself in a situation you want to be in, you often feel happy. For example, thinking and planning for an upcoming holiday has been found to make people happier. The same principles also work for affirmations too, as you know where you will be in the future as you say them, and you will feel happier and more confident on your journey to that destination. Number 2, clarity on what you want. Often when people struggle with achieving in life, it's because they lack clarity and direction on what they want to do. People believe they know what they want, such as money, but then come to realize money alone doesn't make you happy. Instead, when we say affirmations, we not only acknowledge what we will do and where we want to be, but also focus on who we are as individuals and what we're capable of in our lives. Number 3, planning. When you say affirmations, you know the destination you're working towards. And when you know this, you can work backwards to devise a plan to achieve those affirmations. Just like when you're traveling, you need to know where you want to go before planning the journey. The same applies to how affirmations work. You bring to your mind the destination, and you can plan the journey to get there. Number 4, perspective. As you say affirmations, you can always keep focus on what you are working towards achieving. This will give you focus and perspective on how you're progressing towards that achievement. By saying affirmations daily, you will keep your goal in sight and can spend time daily tracking how you're progressing towards it. Also celebrating each achievement daily as you take one step closer towards making it a reality. Number 5, activate your reticular activating system. In every day, every minute and every second, our senses are bombarded with stimuli from the environment around us. So in order to cope, we naturally focus on certain stimulus to ensure we're not overwhelmed and focus on what we need to. By saying affirmations, we naturally activate the reticular activating system to focus on our goal, meaning we're more likely to see opportunities to make our affirmation our reality. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads.